Hi, what's up guys?
I hope everything is good for you. So today for this new video, let's do an unboxing and maybe it will give you some new idea or to change your equipment, or maybe you will discover something, I don't know. Let's start now for this unboxing. Let's open the box. Here the Dashcam Changer MT7. So I think it's nothing crazy with this product. Let's see, but it's not the new amazing product. But actually, I think it's really important to have a dash guard when you ride. If you have, I hope no, but if you have an accident, the easy way to really show what's happened during this accident will be to give some video. It's why, damn, this box doesn't open. It can be good to prove and show what's happened during your issue. Voila. Okay, the screen is pretty large, as you can see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Two other boxes. So, no need this one anymore. So, what do we have? Something to clean, something to attach, useful, some stickers, don't really know why. Okay, a screwdriver. Okay, so now we have some attach. Let's open this one too. Yeah, okay, this is the adjustment. Depending on the design of your bike, you can add some piece here. Oh, okay, this is good. It's to protect. Thanks. If you have to buy a new one, I have no idea where you can find this size, but... And here, I think it's the old cable you have to install on your bike from your battery to your screen. No, and the main front, it's dash cam camera here. Okay, everything is here. So here apparently we can have a small remote. This can be useful, no idea, let's see. So as you see, you have some color on your cable: blue, yellow, red, black. Maybe this sticker help you to understand which cable is which one. So I mean, on your bike, when you have old cable, it will be difficult to know which one is blue, which one is red, which one is yellow. So maybe you can use this sticker just to make a mark on your cable and know which one you manipulate. Here is a front and rear camera. And that's it. So on the back of your bike, or inside, you have to find the ACC cable. And when you connect this white wire on the AAC cable, every time you turn on your bike, your device will turn on in the same time. If you don't do this, if you connect directly this two cable on plus and this cable on minus, this device will be on all time and never turn off. Just for testing now, let's connect the red one first. Connect the ACC. So I buy this small piece, it's just to connect easily different cable without hitting the cable together. So we have this cable connecting to the ACC, we have the red cable connecting on the red, and you finish. The last cable have to be the black one. Okay, so now the bike is off, so the screen is black. Let's try right now to turn on the bike. And it works, perfect. As you see, it works correctly. And now I will turn off the bike. It's off. The next step now it will be to put all cable inside on the front part to have the front camera back side, to have the back camera and all cable inside the bike. Hey guys, as you can see it works. I can use Google Maps on. It's a sunny day today, not the best but pretty bright. The good point is compared to my phone, it's possible to see the map on the screen, and if you look at my phone, it's really dark. As you see on my phone, actually it's a full brightness, and it's just impossible to see correctly what is on my screen. To be fair, I just set on my phone a white color, and you can see the difference in a full white color on my phone and the white color of Google Maps, and it's really easy to see the difference between the both screens. And another problem I had before, during the summertime the phone getting really hot, the system just crash or freeze, and it's not possible to use the phone anymore. Now, even if the phone freeze, I can still continue to use on the dashcam display. Another solution is to just keep the phone on my pocket and watch the dashcam display. From now, I never had a problem with this display. It's never getting hot, it's never dark with the sunlight ray. So it's perfect for me. It's perfect for the road, especially during summer. You have a small remote here. It's only 3 buttons. One is to check the rear dashcam. Another button is to answer to a call. And the other button is just to switch to the menu. It works with your hand and it also works with glove. Because I use Android, actually my system shows me Android Auto. So yes, you can access to Spotify. Some of your messages depend on the app. Google Maps and different apps compatible with Android Auto. You can also use Apple Car and access to some application. I imagine. I never use Apple Car, so I don't know what it's possible. You can also see your tire pressure, but you need additional asset to fix to your tire. Now for a negative point, maybe it's my fault, but it's not really intuitive to download your video from your dashcam on your phone. Maybe it's my problem, but I tried a couple times and I only find the solution one time. I don't remember how to do anymore. So this is not really intuitive. But the good point is you can lock some video save on your memory card. The system of this dashcam, it records all time the video when you drive, and when your memory card is full, it just deletes older video. So if you want to keep one moment of your ride, you have to lock, and it will delete only the unlocked video. If you have any question on this product, let me know. For me it was useful, convenient. Feel free to send me a message on the comment section. I will answer to you if I can help you. So please, if you like this video, send me a like. It will be helpful for me. Also to keep my motivation to do some new content. If you want to share this video, it's really great for me. And subscribe. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.